This is the most pleasure you can have. Another fine day to be out doing it. Oh yeah. Modern life is very complicated in comparison to this. For simple practitioners of open air life and pastoral life, towns seem corrupt and detestable. Guys, this is so good. Let's get it going again. More wood to break, put in the fire. Be safe as always. It really is the greatest feeling, getting the fire going, being outdoors. Tend to the fire. Chopping the firewood keeps you warm. Moving the firewood keeps you warm. Building the fire keeps you warm. Getting here in the first place keeps you warm. And then having the fire keeps you warm. And you want to stay warm, so you keep the fire lighted with fuel. Hungry, hungry fire devours everything I bring to it. It's a lovely day outside, nice and snowy. But if you were to stay out here for too long, your body would get cold and you'd start to shut down. So I built a simple shelter like this during the spring and summer. There's much to fix about it, I know. Believe me, I know. But come on in. It's super nice. We've got coals. Good coal. Oh, it's so good. The thoughts that begin flying. Find a nice little plot of land somewhere. Gotta keep the feet toasty. How man should live. Oh yeah. For a good cup of coffee, I'll go to great lengths. Just little treats. If I ever need to heat it up. Oh yeah. I always knew what I wanted to do. I had a fair idea in my head. Get walls up, some kind of roof. And that was all I did. Then a lot of trial and error, a lot of mistakes, a lot of rebuilding and tearing down. Even this that I have around me now will not last long. It'll come down and something more sound will go up. But for now it's perfect. This little space and time that I have created. Beautiful. Just boiling away. Would you rather be out there dying in the snow? Or will this little humble shelter do? I think my humble shelter will do. She is toasty. Oh my goodness. Oh, come have a look with me. Oh, it's so perfect. If only you could smell it and be in the ambience. The snow outside. A smell made me so happy right there. Wow. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so good. I'm so happy I did all of this. Even just for this little moment. It's the best way. Oh my god. You gotta get out there and do it. Make a fire. Put a nice ribeye on it. This was my first time doing this. Generally I love a rare steak. But I didn't really know what I was doing. So I went with 30 minutes in there. And I could probably do it a little less if I wanted it more rare. This is more medium rare. Very good though. Very, very good. It's beyond very good. It's one of those moments I just want to keep lasting. Really shows how much time we have every single day. So many distractions to fill the hours. This would be the best thing we as mankind can do. Get back to who we are. So many things we don't need. As the night and days go on, I drag the fire down into here and I have a nice cozy pit. Chop wood, read books, repeat. Somewhere in between, have some food. Good stock of firewood now. I'm gonna let this burn out, because then I gotta go feed ponies. This has been a truly wonderful day. So good. I have dreams and fantasies now of making spears and bows and arrows and traps and getting food. That's the plan. It always feels like such a shame to leave such a good fire. Well. Building something so far away was a great idea. It makes it a challenge to get there, and then you can enjoy the rest once you are there. A few miles walking through the snow, It'll really make you grateful for the fire.